In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen image in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure the image you want to improve is already placed in your design so you can preview the changes in real time as you work. This is helpful because sharpening can subtly change the look of a photo, and seeing those edits directly on the canvas makes it easier to decide what looks best. Once your project is open, click or tap on your photo on the canvas. This will open the image menu and give you access to the editing options for that specific picture. If you don't select the photo first, the adjustment controls may not appear, so this step is important before moving on. After the image is selected, look over to the left panel and find the Adjust option. Go ahead and select it. The Adjust panel is where Adobe Express gives you control over the appearance of your image, including things like brightness, contrast, and finer detail settings. For sharpening, this is the section you'll need. Inside Adjust, find the Details section. In that area, you'll see the Sharpen control. To increase sharpness, drag the slider to the right. As you move it, the edges and finer details in your photo will become more defined, which can help an image look clearer and more crisp. If the effect becomes too strong, simply drag the slider to the left to reduce it. Moving it left softens the sharpening effect and helps you find a more natural balance. A good tip here is to make small adjustments rather than pushing the slider too far right all at once. Too much sharpening can make a photo look harsh or overly textured, especially around facial features, text, or high contrast edges. A light touch usually works best if you want the image to stay realistic, while still looking cleaner and more polished. As you adjust the slider, keep your eyes on the photo and compare how it looks before and after the change. The goal is to enhance detail without making the image feel unnatural. Every photo is different, so the right amount of sharpening will depend on the original quality of the image. And that's it. That's how you sharpen an image in Adobe Express. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing your design or leave the image as is and move on to the next part of your project.